Lasing strand.
Hindi ba ganun?
Nasa bang? Ano? Movie, hello. Na-strand na pala siya. The fuck?
Hindi, last, ano ko.
Bro, why are you strand? Gusto ko southwest.
Yeah.
Go
Just
to park.
come to peak, come to peak. Unless you're
Peek,
scouting.
peek.
Yeah, tank. I think it's a tank. Might be a tank. Yeah, it's not a keepers, it's a one-hand.
Ikaw mag-call lagi ka.
Ano.
Wala ka.
Okay.
Trabaho ko,
Yes,
i-heal si Yearning pag
okay,
nalolow.
This
Sinong
one
isa pa,
can let him
sinong
use his
duty niyo?
appropriate
Sinong
shot.
hello duty niyo? So ako, okay, so ako kay Yearning. Okay. Pag mag-heal to, para
Party
mas
2.
tayo.
Nasa na
Uy,
yung kasama
agad.
mo party 2? Is everyone here in peak? Or not yet? We're gonna skip static, be careful. Ngayon, pasilip na lang kung ilan na yung kalaban sa ano. Sa
Sige
Delta.
talaga tayo. Delta yan eh.
The zone
Lagi naman.
southwest ba? And come northwest in. If I already aggroed
Nag-ano
the
ba sila
mobs in
ngayon?
static, no need
Hindi naman ako
to
ninsipis eh.
hit it anymore. Just heal me, okay? Then everyone switch to sprint. Just switch
Hindi.
back to blink or the proper skills later after we go out of static.
Ano ba?
Okay.
Okay.
Chunks, let Chunks be. Kaya na ni Chunks.
Ginamit
Malaki na
niya
siya.
ako 10.
All my shit defensive, okay? So, except for, gawin mo na lang less. Diba, you're gonna WFE. Then, before you leave the front, just drop your Judy in case they fast counter, okay?
Okay.
I want,
Again,
like,
somehow it's
yeah,
not opening.
okay.
You should only have like one locus defensive.
Aray ko.
Yep, I only have one defensive rotation. We cannot soak two. I have Oathkeepers. Oathkeepers, your E is offensive, okay? In case we die to reflect. Boys, keep your eyes peeled for Shapers because we don't have enough defensives to cover for all of that. Stalling pati ES ko nasa pause siya.
Parang...
Ano ka naman, melee stop tank ka. Basically, if the gates are broken, if they push out, just stop their engage. You don't need to peel.
Parang
You
gusto
don't
kong
need to
ma-one
stop
shot
the
eh.
push. What you need to do is to stop the engage if they push out. Just the engage, not the movement. Peel tanks, you stop the movement, not the engage.
Ano ba to? CTA ba
I
to?
have 2 peel. I have how many peel tanks? I think I have 3.
Wala, ako lang
Okay.
nasa TS.
Everyone, come to shoal. Hold north static and shoal.
User joined your channel.
Hold north static and shoal. No, it's fine. We regroup in shoal because we need to
W,
split
W.
before we go there.
Apat kayo
Role
sa
players.
party 1, di ba?
Nayan, any info in Bislap?
Oo, dalawa
How
kami
many
dito
they
sa
are?
party 2.
Oh fuck, I fucking forgot a hammer, bro. Is there any smugglers nearby? Ang ina.
05 dito
Matang.
sa Delta.
Wait. Hold north static na. I'm gonna go buy hammers in smuggler.
Quicksand.
Anong quicksand?
Sunstrand Quicksand, may smuggler.
Yearning,
Okay,
okay,
it's fine.
zero to 5.
Sige lang.
Delta.
Smuggler na South Bluff. Ayan, na southwest
No.
na South Bluff. Southwest na South Bluff.
Okay. Doon na ako bibili. Malapit na. Run, hold static na.
Ayan, CC daw, meron smuggler na, meron hammer.
In my tanks you have
Ilan?
hammers. I forgot about that.
Go here guys, so we will zone
Trade, Z.
everyone can.
Trade.
Healer naman ako.
You. Ready? Is everyone here in
Let's zone guys,
shoal?
Just mount up.
We ready to zone? Just hug the static.
Ay,
then
meron.
dismount
Pasabi nga
if
sa main
ever
comms
there's
doon,
any.
merong
If
militant
there's
na
any
battle
bombs,
mount
if you
doon.
get bombed, just dismount and zone in.
May militant na battle mount sa...
Yeah, go calming as well.
Sabi na lang.
Everyone here, party 2. Dismount.
Sa Delta.
That's fine. Follow the crown. Comes out. Let's move through the middle, it's fine.
Takbo
Small,
na.
small,
Takbo mga
small.
daga.
No one will die here, ha? No one gets down. Holy Jay-chan. How did Jay-chan die?
Healer ata si Jason, di ba?
Filter, filter, filter.
Ang sakit.
Mamamatay talaga yan pag nag-heal kay Yearning.
Will you bring calming, ha? There's no rats. Patayo naman na si Jay-chan, eh. Should be fine.
Talaga matadown talaga yung mga yan.
Guys, come back
Pag,
to us. Guys, come back to us.
Pag static skip ka na lang, net, wala namang rush.
Yeah, north static, diba?
Oo,
Mm.
kami show.
Zone in, zone in. No one's behind right except for last.
Saan ka na last?
One tap, one tap, one tap.
Zoning na yung militant dito sa Delta.
DA check please.
Wala.
Check
Wala
naman.
pang DA.
Yeah. From southwest. And let's kill them before they even get inside the car. Hold southeast here in north block. Ay, in south block.
ano nilalamig ako? Fuck. Ah! Kaya nga eh. Wala akong pampainit eh.
Ganyan lang yung kaliwang kamay mo, tol.
Ang inang hirap.
Hold SC, hold SC.
Pasabi
Antigua,
pasabi
Indigo,
98
yeah, it's
tol.
fine, his dog shit.
Last in 98.
Just don't die to that, okay?
Militant. Last in 98.
It's fine, winnable. Just play it well, boys, okay? I don't need any wasted utility. We're just waiting
Hindi,
for
tatlo
less
yung
to
wala
connect
sa
this with
party
our
two.
Incubus.
Ah, ewan ko.
It's fine, go fast, go faster. Let's go as fast as you can, bro.
Give me the party lead. I'm gonna mark papers.
May invi perma daw. Wait lang.
Just tell us what the marks are. That's fine.
W, sasaluhin
Closer
natin
to
yan.
10 DA.
Actually,
We're closer to 5.
Doyle, can you mark your color?
Ay, wait lang.
You're already there. I'm gonna pass you the lead.
Hindi perma, it's fine. Just don't die to that.
Dikit-dikit tayo para one shot lang tayo lahat.
Para sabay-sabay ta. Aray ka.
Yo, less, dead end yan.
Sorry.
Go west, go northwest mo.
May
Ano
one
gusto
more
mo?
bomb ata dito sa akin. Naka-skip
Asa.
set eh. Not sure, pero I'll just mark the guy.
Nayan, Jel, Ken, Yuzen. Nasa, ano na kayo? Delta na kayo lahat?
Lamig.
Okay, fine. May
Sila,
GA,
sila.
try to look for the NV bomba. Absorb the thing, the main zerg. Then stop the NV bomb. Okay, ready?
Less, courier passive ah.
Yeah, fix passives boys, fix spots as well, fix spots as well, fix spots
Passives
na.
and boots. Fix boots. If you're still
Ready?
on sprint, fix.
Zone SC na. Zone in. From
Tingin mo
southeast pa lang.
mag-defensive
Where
si
are they?
Yearning.
Inside
Can
yun.
they cap it? Patay na ba yung Lord?
Yes.
Oh, kaping na,
Ah,
kaping na,
already
kaping na.
You already fixed the
Fine.
master.
It's fine, come. Come SC. We siege from north.
May
Don't
nag-whisper
get
sa
farmed by the
akin.
NV bombs, boy. You guys know the range of the witchwork. Do not go
Siyempre,
inside
ako
the
na
range
to.
of the witchwork. Because if you stop NV bomb, even with GA, even
Then
if you
GA
stop it with
natatawa.
GA, as long as they have stock, they will still hit.
11.
We will just buy time for you guys to dodge.
What mark did you use, Doyle?
Stay yan nakaran. Stay behind me, stay behind me. Come northwest. Yo, they might catch you guys, ha? Come northwest. This one on me.
Hold it fluff on
Ready for
A3.
check also. Yeah, it's fine.
A3 RB.
Come southeast.
God damn,
Listen to
A3?
this battle, man.
Parang masarap
One tap
ano
last
nun. Sarap ma one tap ng A3.
Approach slowly. Full
Ah,
check
anong
also.
ginamit
No
mong
chariot,
Doyle?
please, low.
Yung red
Come to
ata.
me. Bonk slowly, tanks if you have hammers. Bonk slowly na. Just space it properly. Huwag ka masyadong tumabi dyan.
Target na lang ako, tol.
Take.
Tanga naman nun.
Ignore that.
Hard looking.
It's fine. Def now. Full def now. Nice counter. East side of the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side of the gate now. Big. One shot the tank. Come back. You come back. Reset full dance. So, bonk. Full bonk. Yo, range CPS if you can.
Nakanin yung
If you
Yuzen.
Pamark na lang kung nakinini mana, kay Yuzen. Pamark si Yuzen ng heart.
Uy, at least may heart ka, tol.
Def.
Uy. Tapos papakamatay ako kagad, no?
That's, I
Tama.
just went here engage walang defensive yun. I just walked it out.
Is this ready?
Oh,
Di ba nag-show yung Imbi ba nga?
walk. Kailangan.
Di mas.
Hindi lang sa ano,
Tower, tower.
Yeah, they're moving southwest, they're moving southwest. Careful, we're gonna, come northeast. Don't go inside. Play it so.
Not
May tanks watch
go.
my back.
Inside.
Nasa southwest nyo na. Lumalabas ng northwest.
Yeah,
Yeah, bumalik.
ready defensives, ready for
Okay,
blood.
pasok, tol. Pasok.
Looking ha, perma-charge ha, perma-charge.
Looking. Def, full def now. Ready, counter on the gate.
Gago,
in
patay si
5,
Tulak
Yuzen.
ako.
3, 2, 1 on the gate on top of me now. One shot these dogs. Yo, kill
Your
that.
Patay
mana,
man.
How did Yuzen die?
someone just,
How?
Load the call.
Ay, gago.
Def, hindi bomb. How? You should be far back, bro. You should be far back.
Tapos pinakalikod ako, tinulak ako nung bastion.
Spread.
Looking south.
Spread. Yo, ready, def on that. Yo, spread now, ready, Giga. Ready, southwest. We're gonna get southwest on the gate. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now on me. Big is everyone, boys.
Pahil na lang yung mga southeast side na, ano.
Okay, spread. Ready. They have more cooldowns. Ready, def.
Meron, wala.
Wala, ako lang na
Sorry, talan.
Bonk the gate now. It's fine, honey, if you don't have hammer. You have 2 hammers bonking. Actually 3. It's okay. Careful, southeast over the wall. Careful, southeast. Careful, southeast. May GA, look southeast, please.
Guys, who was around smuggler, we preserve your mana.
Yeah, save mana.
Kasi magka-smuggler, tol, kung wala naman tayo talagang, ano,
Regear
chariot.
advantage. If you die, regear now. Run to us and regear, okay? Okay, spread. Use and W's on the guards now. Yo, careful over the wall southeast.
Yun din ulit kung sinabi kanina eh. Mag-Limehurst.
Delta. Kiss and W's all the guards, even the west guards. Kiss and W's now. I know.
Maka-recurrent comeback ka, no?
Fine. Just kill the mobs. Kiss and W's.
Malapit na ako.
Place DOTs
Okay
on the
lang, tol.
bastion.
Ingat.
That's why I want a Dawn Song, but we don't have. Oh.
Nasa chest yung BS nila.
Hey, you guys heard that? Chest and main Zerg is... main Zerg
Isilip
and
nga ako, tol. Gusto ko
BS is on
makailap.
the
Tara,
top.
tol. Catch
Yo,
kita.
ready over the wall, southwest,
Legit,
ready.
ika-catch kita, gago. Silip ka.
Yeah, ready to death that.
May Judy ka naman eh. Pop mo na lang kagad.
Yo, wait. I'm gonna go away. Keep bonking my tanks ready defensive. So we're gonna fast counter.
Papakumatay uli ako.
Southwest.
Incident
Bonk
kasi ano,
southwest.
si Yearning.
Bonk southwest. We play it slow. We don't have chariot and we don't have druid call now.
They're engaging on the wall.
Def. Good defensive spurt solely. Very nice, bro. Very nice. We should-
Di nila iniilagan yung ano, tol.
Ayan,
Touch the
okay.
fucking barrels, niggas.
Yeah, bang.
Hindi lang.
Oh, gago!
Gago ka, tol! Ba't mo tinal?
Ayoko na!
GG!
Looking ako.
Ready pa, def. This is main Zerg, miss. Yo, kill Gel, guys. If I didn't Judy, Gel would have died. No.
May Judy ka, tol. Ay,
Oh, meron
may na.
A little bit faster
Drop ko
on
na,
the
drop ko na.
speed, so just-
Nadrapping.
Tang, ina. Sige, tol. Drop mo nga.
Was it 8-3 game? What the fuck? Yo,
Ayun, no?
kill the
Sinayon,
guards. Just kill the guards.
Sabi ko
Kill the
dito
guards
sa
to me,
harapan
kill the
natin.
guards to me.
Careful ah.
Yeah, be
Nice.
careful. Just spread on the stairs. You can go southwest. Just don't click out. Okay, just spread here. Okay. In shot.
Familiar to,
Anthony,
gago.
kill all the guards.
Dito ako
it's
namatay
fine.
yun,
Just kill all the
ano,
guards
natunaw
slowly.
Looking.
They're
Yo,
wrapping,
dodge the barrels. Dodge the
wrapping,
barrels. It's fine.
northwest,
Just hold dirties my tanks.
Si ano, Yearning ah.
Come,
Baboy.
come. It's fine.
Ah,
It's fine. Kill all the guards. Yo, in shot. Come to the middle now.
looking family, tol.
In shin. Get ready to stop the engage. Ready to stop the engage. Qs and Ws, everyone inside of you. Qs and Ws. Ready. On top of the crown, northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. One shot is dogs. Come back and then you come back.
Judy
and then
nga
you
sa
come
front,
back.
tol.
You come back. Finish
GG
up
ako sa
the
front
guards,
now.
ready to go. They're gonna push in, you spread. You don't go out, you spread. They're looking north now. Def, full def on that.
Si Yearning.
There's no defensives.
Ah,
That's the first engage. There's my Dokos, there's my
Bomb squad
Demon.
looking, bomb squad looking, bomb
Oh,
squad
bomb squad looking. Ready defensives on the bomb squad. Oh, so slow,
They're
man.
getting
Yo,
out,
ready.
they're getting out.
Roll everyone inside of us.
They're gonna hit
On
the
top of
window,
me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yes, on top of me. Kill the wailing now. Chase this wailing. Kill the wailing.
Careful,
Nice.
Dealers.
Everyone spread inside.
Giga na.
Spread inside. They're looking.
Giga.
Death. Full death. Nice.
Buhay tayo.
Keep rolling. Kidnap them now if you can. Kidnap them now. Okay, 13. Okay, we're chilling.
Patay ba? May namatay ba na healer?
Kill all the guards.
Wala.
Kill all the guards. Why is there still a guard alive? Yo, stacking down. Spread.
Tangina, tol! Hinangataan na ako ng guard.
Ready, Giga. Yo, spread. Nice, dodge na yan. Okay, it's fine. Just hold. Just kill the guards north. Kill the guards north.
Yan ang bobo naman ang kalaban.
Fine, kill it.
Bobo din natin, tol.
Use NW sa
di
Lord.
ako.
Use NW sa Lord. Come
Anong
to me,
di?
come to me,
Ah, sige,
come
tol.
to me.
Clip ko na lang yun mamaya.
Just spread. Yo, wait, it's fine.
Huwag mo na i-border view, basta hindi ako.
We're chilling. We're playing slow. Yo, ready, east side in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast now on the stairs now. One shot the stairs.
Ready, catch, ah?
One shot the stairs and spread.
Judy nga, tol, sa
Spread
front.
now, Full spread now. Ready? Full death now.
Wala akong
full
Judy,
death
wala
now,
akong Judy,
full
wala
death, full death. Good death. Good fucking death. Yo, ready, brawl.
Kailan.
Pull down check.
Si Shax, tol.
Pull down
Pahil
check.
nga.
Sige.
Nice one.
Mag-i-din ako sa harapan ah.
Spread and brawl now.
Gusto na ako mana ah.
Spread and brawl. Just stay inside. Healers tell me if your mana is bad, ah. Pull down check.
Watching ako ba?
Low mana healers, ah.
Yo, come northwest now. Everyone come northwest. Ready? Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Can you hit the crown?
Judy,
Yo.
Judy.
Okay. Come northwest. Come out.
No Judy.
Come out.
Nag-Judy na ako kanina.
Full chase the bomb. Catch the bomb now. Everyone catch the bomb now. You, Qs and Ws on these niggas. If you have damage left over, hit. Just hit. Roll and hold. Def on that. Yo, I pop Judy. He's inside the Judy piece. Okay, we're chilling. They're engage, ready.
Mag-i-din na ako. Mag-i-din ako sa harapan ah.
Gigil. Just def. Full def now.
Patay si Nayon.
Hold. Ready.
May Judy ka pa, tol?
Wala na.
3, 2, on top of the crown, boys. It's man. Kill. And then you come back out. You come back outside.
Low
And
mana exalted.
yeah, it's fine. Recover for now. Hinga.
Isa na ako balikan
Don't
ba?
get poked down, please. Do not get
Nasa static na ako.
Get poked down. Do
Nice
not
one.
get poked down.
Si Jel nga, tol. Nice one.
Ah, ayun.
Sadly. Bro, guys, if it's like that, you still need to be aware. You still need to be pop giga. Okay, come Satis inside.
Save ko lang.
Def on that.
Fail.
Come Satis. They got plated. Pin shot. Yo, after this, spread out here, northeast side. Spread out. Ready on this hammer, ready? Yeah, I'm gonna call from 3, ready? Chill. On this hammer in 3, 2, 1 on the hammer now.
Ready,
now. One shot. Nice fucking one shot, boys.
Talong ng ano, tol?
Ready defensive.
Bastion,
Ah,
gago.
ready ba siya ba?
Yo, careful.
Kailan,
Careful. It's a fake.
Ready kay ano, yearning, tol.
Nice stop. They still have damage. Careful. Def on gel. Heal gel now. Nice heals. Yo, come inside.
Nice one.
7 seconds. It's
The
fine.
one
7
shot.
seconds. Come inside, then come back northeast now. Come back northeast now. Wala nang guardian armor yung heavy mace. It's fine. Yo, I'm gonna hit south shallow. Ready? On Navi, shallow. South in 3, 2, 1. South na on top of you. Hit me. Nice.
Ready
Come
ka
back,
siya.
come back.
Judy ka, tol. Judy.
Ready def.
Judy sarap.
No one dies here. No one dies here. Come southwest now. They're in the boundaries. Gonna look.
Ang sarap mo, si gago.
Mana na ako.
Can you perch?
Uy, si Hani.
Wala.
Ready that. Nice. Come southwest now. Go straight west. Come straight west now.
Namatay pala si Maui.
Come straight west. Then we're gonna engage inside, on top of the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown. It's the healers. One shot. Good fucking one shot. Yo, brawl this demon now. Kill the demon north side.
Yo, Hodge,
Ready,
inside
ready,
us,
ready.
Careful, rento ko siya.
Hodge inside.
Spread. I pop Judy.
Wala pa akong Judy,
Spread.
Kailang. Ready na ako
Recover for now. Hinga. Kulang tayo healers.
Sila lang front line.
Yo, come west now. Stop them from going out. Stop. Okay. Cap.
Are they run?
We focus cutting. Kill the Lord on the crown. Come back to
Si
the crown.
Hani,
Drop ease on that. Come back to me. Just come back to me. Kill the Lord. Focus killing the Lord. Sige lang. We're holding CDs. How many CD do you have? How much CD do you have?
Kira.
No, ready def ha, ready def ha.
Uy!
That's a fake, that's a fake.
Kaninong orb yun?
My Judy's still in like 5
Sa akin
seconds, so I
yun.
cannot def you guys yet.
Basta hindi ako, masaya ako.
Pogi, tol. Pogi mo.
Chill.
Sino ba
chill,
yan?
Chill. Kill the
Matay
light,
saan
kill
si
the
Jeff
light,
sa
kill the
harapan.
Dodge your mana, dodge your barrels, dodge your barrels, dodge your barrels. Don't sit on the barrels, please. So our healers can save mana, dodge, Erin, nice. Cap, start capping, start
Eh,
capping.
lock niya
start
sila,
capping,
lock niya
there's
sila.
people
Ready,
inside. Yo, you see
Ready
the
to watch
7
it.
focus na po kayo.
Judy nga,
It's
tol.
fine, it's fine, it's fine. Yo, careful
Wait,
southwest.
sige,
over
sige,
there,
sige,
wala.
sige.
Position
Wait lang.
southwest. Position more north. Position more north.
Now nga, tol, now.
Yo, ready, northwest on the stairs.
Saan ka ba,
Wait.
banda?
Chill.
Joke lang.
Yo, ready, southwest in 5, 4, 3.
Hindi ako sa harapan natin.
Watch out the dogs inside. Nice, ready, def.
Gogo, ang sarap, tol.
May
May
Sarap
napatay
nyo.
tayong malaking... Si Jeff.
They're gonna okay, they miss. Spread out. Do not eat the barrels. Sige lang. Just roll now. Qs and Ws inside. Yo, focus. Yo, nakikita niyo yung halo for Judy sa south. Etong A. Yo, Qs and Ws this guy. Qs and Ws. Yo, you see the crown. You see this, Judy sensor healer. Focus is healer.
Okay na.
Yo, ready.
Si Black Jesus,
West side.
gago.
Yo, west, ready.
Kilala ko yan.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Just hit the crown.
Inhale ko yung nasa labas,
Come
inhale ko yung
back,
nasa
come
labas.
back.
May Judy ka, tol?
That's my bad.
Wait lang, may na.
Focus on capping now.
Nag-imbi yung bambo.
What the fuck? They have like a bomb squad and shit. You shouldn't complain. Cap it. Then come southwest. Come outside. Go. Keep them in combat but do not die. Full CC. Perks. Perks one tap. Full chase. Full catch. Kill everyone here. Kill everyone. Yo, follow Black Jesus.
Wait
Jesus.
lang,
Kill
makakita yung
Diba?
touch ako ni
Armor
Ernie.
and Earthrone. Yo, kill that healer southwest but chase northwest as well. I want the fucking attuned Earthrone, bro. Holy.
Can you big dart?
Ping gel. It's here. It's on the front.
Oh, careful, ah.
Kill.
Wala palang kasama.
Thank you for your donation. Yeah, give me the kill if you can. Keep him low. Just keep him low. Yo, stop. Stop hitting for now.
Sir, can I kill you?
Nice one.
GG.
Come southeast. Fuck. Come back inside. Nice content, boys. Good job. Just a little bit slow on the start, guys. I think defensive was slow. DPS is good today, holy. Nice.
Eh, yung healer, tol.
Nice. Mantap and go
Maayos
inside.
talaga. Maayos talaga.
Late na naman ako,
Kasi
gago.
yung caller.
Di ba?
Tumawag yung contractor boy. Kailangan
Ang chill nga, tol eh.
Oy, contractor talaga si Lods. Fuck.
Hindi ako yung...
Stay inside.
Magulat sana ako
May
kasi
nag-DM na sa akin na taga-militant, eh,
Pilutar
sabi
nga
bigay
pala.
ko naman daw yung win. Dahan.
Dahil yung,
Like, what?
yung 8-3 na Rem Breakup, hindi niya pinatay.
Ako sarap ng kill fame na sa party to, tol. Promise.
Yaman na.
Ewan ko, tol.
Meron kami.
Nice. Mabigay, at least
80, 200,
today, guys, we know that our
500.
clap is heavy. Nice.
Oo,
That's
sarap.
okay.
100, 200.
We one shot their tanks. Really good.